I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, deep down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys some cleaning motivation. This was a Friday and I just wanted to go ahead and get the house cleaned for the weekend. So it wasn't a complete disaster, but it definitely needed to be tidied up. So I decided to go ahead and start in the bathroom and then move on to the bedroom after that, just because I usually start in the kitchen or the living room, and I kind of wanted to switch it up and just go ahead and start in here for this day. I wanted to start by getting all of the dirty towels and dirty rags together. That way I could go ahead and throw those in the washer. And also this little corner organizer thing had gotten a little out of control. There were so many shampoos and soaps and things on this, so I needed to get rid of some of that, not get rid of it, but switch some things out. That way it wasn't so cluttered, because every time I went to take a shower I was like, oh gosh, there's so much stuff, I don't know if I can make it fit. But I wanted to go ahead and start with that before moving on to the countertops. This countertop today looked so much better than it normally does. There is not nearly as much stuff that needed to be put away on this day as there usually is. I'm trying to get better. Like I said in my last video, I'm trying to get in the habit of putting things away as I use them. So it's still a work in progress. I'm trying to work on it. So today wasn't as bad as it's been being. And I also wanted to go ahead and put a fresh hand towel out. Now that everything's put away, I wanted to clean out the sinks. So I am spraying some scrubbing bubbles, make a shower foamer in the sinks. And then I'm gonna wipe down the countertops with the Mrs. Meyer's spray and a paper towel. I'm gonna go back in a minute with my bathroom e-cloth and clean the mirror and the countertops as well, but I wanted to give it an initial wipe down just to get rid of any hair or makeup or anything. That way the e-cloth can do its job and kind of disinfect. Before I wipe down the countertops again with my e-cloth, I wanted to go ahead and take care of this little makeup mirror as well as the big mirror. That way it didn't get dirty before I clean the mirror, and then I'll just rinse it out and go ahead and wipe down the countertop as well.
I was so lost, like a vagabond with no home, moving on into the wilderness of my emptiness. A lack of faith, while the time was running out for me. There's no escape from the someone. Everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you.
Now that everything else in the bathroom is done, I needed to refill the toilet paper, and then I cleaned the toilet off camera because I don't know if you guys like to see that or not, but then I needed to put up my blow dryer and take the laundry to the laundry room. Moving on into the bedroom, really the only thing that needed to be done in here was just make the bed and then clean off my nightstand. As you can see, I have a little collection of water bottles and lotions and things going on over there, so I wanted to get all of that put away, that way it was nice and clean.
So full of self-confidence, and everything you said made a lot of sense. I thought I was too cold to ever love again, but every single word cut through the rain. We see the distance grow. I just need to know.
I recently got a body pillow from Target. Because I'm a stomach sleeper, and since I'm pregnant, I need to adjust and sleep on my side. And I could not figure out at first how I wanted these pillows, and I'm still not 100% sure on it, but it is growing on me the way I have it with the body pillow in front of the standard shams. So I think that's how I'll leave it for now, but I wanted a place to put the body pillow so that I wasn't putting it in the closet or under the bed or whatever. And so yeah, I just decided to put it there and try it out for a little while.
I hear your laughter from within. You can light up any room without going in. Funny how just a few letters in a row can turn into a smile, and now you can't let go. Oh, oh, we see the distance grow. I just need to know, do you even feel the same?
The last thing I wanted to do in the bedroom was go ahead and light a candle. I love lighting a candle once a room is clean. It just makes it feel so much cleaner and just kind of complete when you light a candle. And then I moved into the living room. There really wasn't much of a mess in here, but I did want to adjust the cushions on the couch and go ahead and vacuum the couch and the chair. I want to take a second and say hi to anyone who may be new. My name is Kristen. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm so excited to have you here. Here on my channel, I share a ton of cleaning motivation, and I also share some decorating and some organizing videos. I actually have some decluttering and organizing videos coming up very soon. So if you haven't already, hit that little red subscribe button. I'd love to have you join this family and stick around. Now moving on into the living room, there were just a few things that I needed to put away. As you can see, I ran into Bath and Body Works. I had a doctor's appointment the day before and I really needed some wallflower refill, so I ran in real quick and grabbed some of those, and they were having their sale, so I obviously grabbed a few candles as well. So I went ahead and put all of that away, and then I moved into the kitchen. There were a few dishes that I needed to put away. There wasn't really much to wash. I think there were a couple of cups, but that was about it.
Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your love.
While I was out at my doctor's appointment, I ran into Costco for a few things, and I saw these Welch's organic juice popsicle things, and they sounded so good. So I'm just going to put a few of them in the freezer. That way I have a few that are ready, but I didn't want to put all of them in there. So once I get those put away and the waters put away, I'm going to grab my kitchen e-cloth and wet that really well and wipe down all of the countertops.
Get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you. The way you look at me is absent. It's like you're walking through a labyrinth. Just say what's going on. Don't waste your time being all alone. Say what you mean, say what you mean. And you'll get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you.
Now that the kitchen's clean, I'm also going to light this candle in here. I don't know if you guys have ever smelled the volcano candles, but this one is from Target and it smells almost exactly the same, and it was only $10, so I went ahead and grabbed that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the floors. This is the last thing I wanted to do this day, but I noticed that there were some crumbs and stuff like under the cabinets and especially under the stove and refrigerator that I wanted to get first. So I put my little brush attachment on the vacuum, and once I finished that, I switched out the attachment and started vacuuming the floors throughout the house.
When I say I quit, it's only 'cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only 'cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you.
I could lie wide awake and leave my head up in space. Countless nights and days when you are far away, and I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and make it worth your while. While, make it worth your while. All the things I would do just to get close to you. There's something about the way you move, and I try to follow you, and I know that it's hard.
Once all of the hard floors were done, I switched out the attachment on my vacuum to the one for the rugs and went ahead and vacuumed the rug in the bedroom and the living room as well.
In sunlight or in the night, I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and make it worth your while. Make it worth your while.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It really means so much to me. If you enjoyed it, please hit that little thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, please hit the little red subscribe button. That way you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.